Hey guys, Shaddy.slime here, and today I'm be doing a squishy unboxing part 2. Sorry the lighting's kind of bad right now. The background is the same and it's like a piece of hair's bugging me, but I was so excited because yeah, it was squishy. I can tell in the package, so I opened it, but I'm so sorry I opened it. I could have opened it on camera, but I was like super excited. But I got this squishy and it's a carrot. Look at this. It's a carrot. The packaging is adorable. I got that banana and it's a carrot, and this packaging is super cute. Super squishy. I love that sound too. I just can't, it's pretty huge too. I can't even, it smells like carrots too, like steamed carrots. Sorry if you hear background noises, that's my dog. Cash, stop, I'm filming a video, please. But yeah, that is super squishy. Let's squish it. Stop it. Jeez. But the stem, or the leaf, is super fun to squish. But I believe this was what was it? It was $11.49. And I did get it on sale for $3.50, so that's a bargain. I had to get it. Yeah, I totally recommend this. Sorry this video was short again, but this is part 2. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss another video, and make sure you hit that post notification button. And Cash. Okay, my YouTube is right down below in the link. Shaddy.slime. This is obviously YouTube. My musical is Shaddy.slime, and my main is saylorschuldt. It'll be in the description below. And I love you guys so much, and I will be back probably in another couple days with a new squishy video, but love you guys so much.